Ermita House by Studio A in Merida, Mexico. The property is located just 1 block from the magical neighborhood of La Ermita, an existing house with a frontage of 4.20 meters, which used to be part of a larger complex, but over time, divisions reduced this fraction to this small frontage. The 2 existing bays were utilized to house the social areas while keeping the characteristics of the original colonial house intact. The moldings of the original house, true works of art in themselves, have been meticulously preserved during the renovation. However, the rest of the finishes were deliberately removed to expose the ancient stone from which the walls are made. These moldings not only add a touch of elegance to the spaces but also serve an essential function, concealing modern installations and providing a clean and distraction-free view of the original stone on the walls. This contrast between the old and the new, the ornamental and the functional, results in a unique experience for the residents and visitors of the house. The central courtyard, the heart of the dwelling, features the restoration of a vestige of a bathroom that has been transformed into an architectural masterpiece. In this space, the ceiling and finishes have been removed to create a seamless connection between the interior of the house and the new pool. This pool offers an internal journey that leads to a contemplative corner, complete with a hammock, providing an experience that combines freshness and relaxation with the appreciation of architectural art. The bedrooms, located at the rear of the property, can only be accessed after thoroughly exploring the house and its courtyards. This layout not only promotes interaction and contemplation of the house, but also directs the views of the rooms toward the spacious central patio, visually revealing the journey taken and creating a unique architectural narrative that unfolds as the inhabitants explore and enjoy this home.